Welcome to Aqua Play Parks. We're working and we're just now finishing the big A-frame. So let's go, let's have a look. So we finished now the climbing ladder. So you can see there will be a walkway coming up right here and they'll be able to walk up. And then over here you have the slide. The big slide once they're on the top. Now, right over here, you're gonna have a step, a water step, which will connect to the D-rings over here and over there. And then you'll be able to have two kids climbing up to go over to the top. So now this cover is joined up at the top and then it goes down over to the other side. And so once they're there, then they have the choice to pick a slide. So you actually have 4 ways up and 4 ways down. So you can see here, this is your other side, and there'll be a walkway right here. The walkways, okay? So you got the walkways going into the A-frame, the walkways, and then over on this side, the same as the other side, this is the water side, and you'll have a water step here. And then you can see they got another slide, slide 3. And then as we go over here, we have another slide. So you've got your 2 slides on both sides. So, you know, it's a fun slide, lots of action. And you can see as we get up close, you've got your handles here. Okay, and then you come down a little farther and you got your block steps, which are nice, good, solid. Okay, you can see they're very durable, and that way they can climb up and they'll have a fun time. It's nice and high, and then you got slides. So like I said, you've got 4 access points at 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock. The 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock are water-based, okay? Water-based. The 6 o'clock and 12 o'clock points are coming off your walkways here, okay? So, there you have it. The A-frame slide.